This video is brought to you by Vantrue. Hello and welcome to another simple tech review. Today we'll be having a look at the Vantrue N1 Pro Full 1080p Mini Dashcam. The N1 Pro is the latest model from Vantrue in the N1 lineup. As it is customary from the Vantrue brand, the camera records very crisp and clear Full HD 1080p video for both day and night scenarios. It can also be used with an optional GPS mount to playback tracking information. It's super compact and stealthy and comes with 18 months of warranty. Let's begin with the unboxing. We can first see a quick start guide, a thank you card, the user manual, the compact N1 Pro dashcam. We then have the micro USB ladder power adapter with a built-in USB charging port, the adjustable suction cup mount, and a micro USB data cable to charge and transfer files to your computer. Having a closer look, on the front we see the 160-degree 6-layer lens with an aperture of f1.8 and the speaker. On top there's the mount slot and the emergency mode button. On the bottom we have the microphone, the mini HDMI video out and the reset button. On the right we see the micro SD card slot up to 256 GB and the micro USB data port. On the left some ventilation holes, and on the back we see the 1.5-inch LCD screen, the LED indicator lights and the buttons for power, up, OK and down. Let's now dive into the installation. To install the camera, simply place the suction mount on the windshield and lock it in place. Insert the micro SD card into the camera. Slide the dash cam onto the mount slot. Connect the mini USB cable to the mount. And plug in the ladder adapter so that the camera starts recording when the vehicle is turned on. The N1 Pro will discreetly sit in your car while it records all of your trips in crisp 1080p video. Looking now at the camera settings. You can set the recording resolution to 1080p or 720p at 30 frames per second. Loop recording can be set to 1, 2 or 5 minutes. Here you can set the G-sensor sensitivity. Turn the microphone on or off. You can turn the parking monitor on or off. In order for this function to work best and not only rely on the camera's battery, you may install the optional Vantrue hardwire kit. A link will be provided in the description if you'd like to get one. You can enter the vehicle's license plate and it will show on the video recording's watermark. You may choose which information is shown on the video's watermark, which include the speed and GPS coordinates. For these to show on the video, as well as being able to track the location from the video files, you will need to install the optional Vantrue GPS receiver mount module. You can check it out from the link below. You can use the time-lapse to record long road trips. You may view the recorded files right on the spot. Turn the GPS settings on or off. Change the speed units between kilometers per hour and miles per hour. Change the language. Format the SD card. Set the date and time. And reset to factory settings. In conclusion, the N1 Pro is another top quality dashcam from Vantrue. It will record crisp and clear 1080p video during both day and night with its Novatec 96658 processor and Sony's IMX323 sensor. It can withstand harsh temperature conditions, can log GPS data, and comes in a compact size that is discreet and easy to install. If you'd like to check out the Vantrue N1 Pro, don't forget to click the link in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing and sharing. Up next are the video sample clips for your evaluation. I'll see you on the next review.